This is the first ever Cebu Matcha Fest at SMJ Mall. Hey guys, Kenneth here. And good news, Cebu's first ever Matcha Fest has officially opened sa SMJ Mall. It is a curated matcha experience and featuring 12 amazing brands such as Celsius Crib, No Bitter Feelings, DP Sweets, Ice Baby, Choco, Your Daily Go Cafe, Casa Brew, Atelier Matcha, Onata, lastly, Rampa Beads Bar. And we tried Casa Brew's Vanilla and Cream and Sea Salt Matcha Latte. And in fairness guys, it was surprisingly good and barato ra pa jud kaayo. We also tried Onata's Portuguese egg tarts. They were also so good and it reminds me of Hong Kong egg tarts. And lastly guys, cute kay ang mga baligya diri sa Rampa Beads Bar plus you can customize your bag tags, bracelet, and even necklaces. And you can collect stamps from February 1 to 14 from any participating food and drinks and unlock free matcha activity. So what are you waiting for? Visit Cebu Matcha Fest at SMJ Mall and salamat sa pagtanaw!